Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. You're welcome to my channel once again. In this channel, I used to bring updates that used to make you money. And if I have not tested it and it's paying, I don't bring content to this on our honorable platform. Today I want to introduce you to Efsane. Efsane is just an airdrop earning platform where you earn gems. The airdrop you earn there is called gems, and this gems is already listed, and these gems can be converted to any currency. And what you do here is just a daily login to earn these gems. When you earn these gems daily, you can convert them to either USDT or any other currency that you want and withdraw them to your crypto wallet. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register. And from how to register, I will show you how to log in. And after logging in, I will quickly show you how to claim your daily gems. Every day you wake up, you claim your gems by signing in. And after signing in, you claim your daily reward, which is around 400 gems. If you keep accumulating this, it will give you enough gems that you can convert to USDT or any other currency that you want to use. It is a free update. It is working. These people just want their app or their services to be more popular. That is why they are offering this first. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about registering. So when you open this website from the link that I'm going to drop in the description of this video, it will bring you to this website. So what you do is you just click on register. So let's just click on register. And the beauty of this package is that you can even refer yourself if you have multiple numbers, because one referral they give you 2,000 gems, and those 2,000 gems you have like four numbers. You can register yourself. So what you do is that the first thing you do is that you just go to this country flag, you change it to your country. Like I'm recording from Nigeria now, I'll go and change it to Nigeria. And when you want to change it, you tap on that place that my arrow is. So while you are here, the most important thing is that you don't type for some phone it doesn't work when you type the name of the country here. It's better you scroll up. So let's scroll up and search for Nigeria. So you scroll up until you see your country. Okay, I'm searching for Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria. So now when you see that this country has changed to your country logo and your dialing code of your country, you now input your number here. And when you're inputting your number, let it be that the first zero is removed. Let me make an example. Let's say my number start with 080. What I will do is I will remove the first zero up to 80 and continue with the number. So when you put your number there, after doing that, they are going to ask you to tap here to send a verification code. Most times they send verification through calls. They will call you, or they will send an SMS, or if it's a WhatsApp number, they will drop the code in your SMS. So in your WhatsApp number. So when they drop the WhatsApp number, you come out and put it there. Automatically, the invitation code will be here if you use my link, because this program without someone referring you, you cannot join. From there, you come and input your password. You put your password here, you repeat your password here. After that, you click on register. So after that, it will redirect you to a page where you log in. So let's click on login. So when you still come to login, you still have to change your country code, country dialing code here to your country code, and input your number the way you input it, and also put your password. And don't forget to click this verify you are a human. After doing that, you click on login and it will log you in automatically. So let's log into this account. remove the first 0. Now I input my password. Now I click on verify I'm human. So after that, you click on login. Now, when you log in, this is how your dashboard is going to be like. So what you do is go to this icon that look like human being and click on it. So we click on it. It's now going to bring us to this place showing you your UID and your personal center. Just this place. You click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this place, to this dashboard. You still go here and click on the personal center again, where is going to you are going to perform your daily tasks. So let's click on it. You scroll down. If you look at it now, this is what you have to be doing daily. You click on sign in. So you can see that I have almost 191. So what I need to do now is to click here. Let me scroll down for you to see how I've been signing in daily. If you look at here, that means for like 5 days now, I've been signing in and getting 400 gems, which I can convert all of them to USDT. So right now, let's go back and go and do the daily signing. So you enter your personal center, you scroll down and click on this signing. So if I click on this signing, my balance is going to change. Let's do that. Fine. So now we go back to our personal center again, check our balance. You see that it was 109,191 before, but if you see right now, it is now 56591. Now let's see our balance. You go to your assets. You close it from here. You close it here. You scroll it up. You touch there, it will scroll up. Then you go to your assets. So we click on our assets. My assets. You will see that it's going to show you where you can do your conversion. I hope you understand. So at the top, you make sure it's on James. You make sure it's on James and to the currency that you want to convert it to. So now let's tap the lower one. So choose USDT. So now you click on James to be, that is if you want to convert all, you click on it to be maximum, and the equivalent balance of USDT is going to display here. And anytime you are changing, they are almost taking about 2% of your conversion fee, yeah, like a gas fee. So I'm doing this video purposely to let you know how you can convert it to USDT. Let's do that. Now you click on max. So you see that the total balance that we are going to have in USDT is going to be this. So what you do is you click on confirm. So you click on confirm again. Now let's go back to our personal area. You click on this menu. Click on this menu to go back to your personal area so that it will roll it up. Let's do that. So now you go to my personal area again. You see that, okay, go to my tax my assets. Now hold on, go to my tax center and check all the things that you can do daily. In this place, you can use your gene to apply for what they call what is this, share the lucky draw. There you can use your gems to play for a lucky draw. You can win a lot of gems. Here you can enter for a daily lucky draw too with your gems and earn huge reward apart from above what you are earning daily. So you can see that the daily check-in and the new user registration has been active, which means that has been done. So every day let me show you how you can also make money by referring people. You click on invitation reward. When you click on invitation reward, this is where you copy your referral link and send it to your friends to register. Each member that register with your referral link, you get 2,000 gems, and these 2,000 gems that will be given to you will be frozen for 2 days to make sure that the person that you are referring all log in like twice a day before that 2,000 gems will be released to you for conversion. So let's scroll up again. Now let's check my assets. If you check out my assets, you will see that okay, it has been converted. Let's go to my personal center. Now if you look at it now, hold on. So you go to my assets to see how the the conversion of gems that you have converted from your gems, because we converted it from these gems, we converted it to the USDT. So you see that we don't no longer have gems, we now have USDT. So as you accumulate them, your USDT will begin to increase. So if you want to withdraw, you click on withdrawal. So go to withdrawal. Now you can see that the minimum balance that you can withdraw is 6 USDT, and you can use any Ethereum, any withdrawal wallet that you can do. If you want to add your withdrawal wallet, you go to your personal center. Let's go back up, click on your personal center. You see this place that they wrote airdrop. You click on it to add your ERC20 wallet. You see they are using ERC wallet. You fill it here and write whatever you want to write it, like this is my ERC20 I wish to receive my token with. So when you do that and you click on confirm, your money will be withdrawn immediately. A lot of people with video online of people that have reached this threshold of $66 and 6 USDT that you can withdraw, and it is working, guys. And you know, like I told you, you can refer yourself. You have like multiple numbers, it is allowed. You can refer yourself to gather these 2,000 gems, because every individual that you will refer, they're going to give you 2,000 gems. So when you gather them and you now have it inside, you now have it here, and you have the main balance as $6. You can make your withdrawal. I hope you understand. So this is an update that is still working, and honestly, if you can do it daily, you can accumulate a lot of gems. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So this is just an update that you don't need to invest anything. They don't even have where they say you should deposit. It's just that it's a new token that they want people to have a lot of information about, that their gems or their airdrops can be converted to USDT or to any of your currency that you want to earn. So like I told you, it's a 400 for just signing in daily. So my brothers and sisters, I don't want this video to be so long. The link on this description will be on this app, or in this update will be in the description link where you can go and sign up. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and share our videos, as we intend to bring you more updates that can make you money even without investing. Thank you so much, and God bless you.